Welcome to the Crypto Journey podcast, folks. Let's dive into the wild world of Bitcoin and the crypto roller coaster, covering everything from volatile markets to solid trading strategies.
Absolutely. It's a ride full of twists and turns. So, where do we start? The whole idea of extreme volatility really grabs my attention.
Right? The crypto market is like a roller coaster at full speed. Prices, can swing wildly in minutes due to things like market demand, regulatory griping, and investor sentiment. It's unpredictable. Yeah.
So, why exactly do Bitcoin and its pals experience these wild price swings? I mean, besides the obvious hype.
Great question. It's like you're dealing with market speculation. People buy or sell based on their predictions, and then you add regulatory news. For example, a government crackdown can send prices plummeting. Then there's investor sentiment.
Yeah,
FOMO and panic selling are at play.
I get it. Emotions definitely drive this market a lot. And I also read there's some market manipulation by whales. Is that a major factor?
Absolutely. Big holders can intentionally move the market by buying or selling in huge volumes. That's one of the reasons why price fluctuations can be so sudden and severe, making it essential to understand these
Right.
dynamics. That manipulation can be startling at times.
Interesting. Now, the content also dives into the tech ballast behind it all. Blockchain, how does that underpin the whole operation?
Blockchain is the backbone. It's a decentralized ledger, which means there's no single authority controlling everything. Transactions are recorded in blocks linked together, making tampering nearly impossible. It's like a digital fortress, with each block protecting the integrity of the entire chain.
That's fascinating. And it brings up wallet security, doesn't it? Like choosing between a hot wallet and a cold wallet.
Exactly. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, so they're quick for transactions, but they do carry risks like hacks. Cold wallets, on the other hand, being offline, offer stupendous security, though they're less convenient. It's really
Yeah,
a balancing act between ease and security.
I like that analogy, a trade off between speed and safety. But then when it comes to investing, how should one handle these volatile tides?
Managing risk is crucial, as our guide, Bitcoin Be Trippin', lays out. Diversification is a key strategy. Don't stick all your funds in one coin. Rather, spread your investments across different
Right.
cryptocurrencies. And it also introduces the concept of setting stop loss orders and having proper position sizing.
Speaking of diversification, the content also talks about researching and analyzing different cryptocurrencies, right?
Yes, indeed. It's all about doing your homework, understanding the technology behind each coin, the team driving it, and its real world application is essential. Think of it like a car purchase. You check the engine, safety ratings, and reviews before
Um,
buying, wouldn't you?
Totally makes sense. And then there's trading strategy. The guide covers day trading, swing trading, and even hodling. What are your thoughts on that mix?
Oh, it's a comprehensive spectrum. Day trading requires constant monitoring and quick moves to capitalize on small shifts. Swing trading leverages medium term trends, while hodling is all about long term confidence, even when the market's a mess. Each strategy suits risk tolerance and
Right.
time commitment.
I sometimes wonder if hodling might be too passive, especially given how crazy the market can be.
I see your point, but here's the thing: hodling is about staying emotionally detached and focused on long term
Yeah,
potential. However, one might argue it's a bit too laissez faire if you're trying to snag profits on volatility. It's that delicate balance.
true. And that's where technical analysis tools come in, right? The book details tools like moving averages, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and even Fibonacci retracement levels.
Right on. These tools help predict price momentum by smoothing out data and flagging overbought or oversold
Um,
conditions. It's like having a weather forecast for the market. Though not perfect, it gives you a direction.
And with full volatility, managing emotions becomes key. The guide offers some sound advice about that too.
Indeed. It stresses sticking to your trading plan, setting clear goals, and using stop loss orders to avoid excessive losses.
Right.
It's about preventing panic decisions when you see red numbers flashing on your screen.
Exactly. And I found the concept of regularly reviewing your strategy and staying informed particularly important. The crypto space evolves rapidly after all.
Absolutely. And speaking of staying informed, the guide places a huge emphasis on joining online communities and forums. Platforms like Reddit and Bitcoin Talk are invaluable for real time insights and
Yeah.
networking. They help you catch the sentiment before it sweeps the market.
Now let's touch on regulations and taxes. It sounds like a minefield sometimes. How does the guide advise handling that?
Regulations vary wildly worldwide, from the crypto friendly vibe in Japan and the EU's evolving frameworks to strict policies in China and uncertain terrain in India.
Um,
And on top of that, there's taxation. Always maintain detailed records of transactions to accurately report capital gains or losses.
that's so important. Some might even overlook the tax implications and end up in trouble.
Exactly. Staying compliant is key. The guide advises seeking professional advice to navigate these murky waters and to implement KYC and AML requirements when dealing with exchanges.
Right. Switching gears a bit, the book also explores opportunities beyond trading like mining and staking.
Yes, for those wanting passive income options. Mining involves verifying transactions using specialized hardware, ASICs for Bitcoin, for
Um,
example, and staking, especially with proof of stake coins, allows you to earn rewards by holding coins as collateral.
so essentially, you can earn even without actively trading. It sounds like both methods require their own strategies and risk assessments, though.
Exactly. Mining can be resource intensive with high electricity costs, while staking provides an eco friendlier option, but still demands a good understanding of the protocol requirements.
Yeah. And finally, what's the crux of the long term advice provided in all this?
Well, in essence, it's all about continuous education, diversification, risk management, and staying patient. The guide encourages hodling during turbulent times, setting realistic goals, safeguarding assets, and always being prepared for the next twist in the market. It's a blend of strategy,
Um,
discipline, and engaging with an active community.
I like that holistic approach. Yet, if I may challenge a bit, don't you think sometimes the advice leans too much towards caution when there might be room for more aggressive strategies in bull markets?
That's a fair critique. Certainly, aggressive strategies can yield higher returns, but they also ramp up the risk. The guide seems to advocate for a balanced approach tailored to individual risk tolerance, rather than a one size fits all aggressive stance. It's about finding what works
Right.
best for you.
Makes sense. Ultimately, it's about riding the waves no matter how wild they are.
Absolutely. Whether you're deep diving into technical analysis tools, securing your crypto with the best wallet practices, or engaging with global regulatory updates, the
Um,
journey is ongoing. And as the market evolves, so too should your strategies.
so true. Final thoughts. Embrace the volatility, keep learning, and don't let emotions cloud your decisions. Navigate that roller coaster with a clear head and well planned strategies.
Right on. Remember, folks, this crypto ride demands both patience and vigilance. With continuous education, calculated risk management, and a balanced approach, you can confidently steer through the ups and downs. Cheers to navigating the crypto roller coaster like a pro.
Cheers indeed. Stay curious, stay informed, and ride those waves smartly.